This video is a representative guide for the proctor to understand the remote proctor console, which is subject to change. To protect the privacy of the individuals, we have blurred the images and names in this demonstration video. Welcome to the video on remote proctored assessment. In this video, we will go through the end-to-end proctor instructions to be executed during a remote proctored assessment. The remote proctored assessment is a new variant of internet-based assessment where the candidate takes the assessment from their convenient location on their desktop or laptop with a webcam. During the remote proctored exam, continuous monitoring of the candidate is carried out by a proctor invigilator using the video or an image feed of the candidate captured using the webcam and then transmitted to proctor's console on a near real-time basis. To aid the proctor, the candidate's videos or images are analyzed using artificial intelligence technologies. There are 3 types of alerts raised by the AI system. No face detected indicating candidate is away from computer or laptop. Second alert would be multiple faces detected, which indicates that the candidate is not alone in front of the system. Another alert would be low facial match, which means indicating a possible impersonation. The proctor, based on alert raised by AI system or on their own, should continuously monitor and investigate the candidate's behavior to determine any unfair means and act in deviation to the agreed examination guidelines. Along with detecting malpractices, the proctor console can also be used to perform other administrative functions. Steps to log into remote proctoring console. On your machine, open the browser. Remember, the most preferred browser is Google Chrome. And then type https://www.tcsion.com. Now, click Sign In. Enter the proctor credentials that have been provided, and then click Login. Click Remote Proctoring from the My Quick Links tab. Note, in case, if it is not visible from the My Quick Links tab, then you can either access it from the default Quick Links tab or by clicking the W icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Let us quickly view the navigation for both the options. Click Dashboard icon under the Action column. The search page appears. Click Remote Proctoring. You can search for candidate using the search filters and then click Search. Searching for a single candidate. To monitor a single candidate, enter the candidate's name or roll number in the Candidate Details search field. Next, searching for multiple candidates. To search for multiple candidates, type the candidate's name or roll number till all the candidates that are to be monitored are added to the list. Or, select the candidates from drop-down list. And then, click Search. Next, we have the Searching without any filter option. Click on the Search button without specifying any search filter criteria. And then, the thumbnail of all candidates will appear. We will now understand how the proctoring console works. The proctoring console displays the near live photo or video feeds of candidates taking the assessment. There might be a delay of up to 10 minutes in receiving the feed. Let us now understand about the candidate thumbnails. On the remote proctoring console, for each candidate a thumbnail is displayed. The thumbnail can be configured to display 2 photos. One photo is the self-registration photo, and other one is the photo uploaded by the candidate while applying for the exam. Remember, the display photo on the thumbnail will keep switching between these two photos. The thumbnail provides the following information. Attempt. It displays the attempt number of the candidate for the assessment. Green icon. It indicates that assessment is still in progress. Red icon. It indicates that assessment is completed by the candidate. Multiple faces icon. It indicates that multiple faces were found in front of the camera during the assessment. The number under the icon indicates the percentage probability of multiple faces. It may imply a possible malpractice attempt. Low facial match icon. It indicates that face did not match with the registered candidate during the assessment. The number under the icon indicates the percentage of face mismatch. It may imply a possible malpractice attempt. No face detected icon. It indicates that the face was not found in front of the camera during the assessment. The number under the icon indicates the percentage probability of face not found. It may imply a possible malpractice attempt. Feeds from the candidate console are continuously being analyzed using machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies. These feeds are analyzed based on 3 values: multiple faces found, low match found, and face not found. The proctoring console displays alerts for possible malpractices by highlighting candidate thumbnails in red along with exclamation mark. And then, depending on these alerts displayed on the thumbnail, Proctor opens the near live feed window of candidate and then validates the alert raised. Let us now understand the near live feed window operations and what actions have to be taken during an alert validation. The near live feed window enables the proctor to view the captured examination candidate videos or images, validate the alert raised by the artificial intelligence system, to raise an alert based on observed candidate video or image during the examination, take predefined actions based on alert or after observing candidates' behavior. Next, we will view the near live feed for a candidate during the examination. To view the near live feed for a candidate, click on the candidate photo or video thumbnail. The feed window receives latest captured photos or video clips of the candidate at regular intervals based on the configuration of the assessment. Note: there might be a delay of up to 10 minutes in receiving the feed depending on the connectivity. Click the thumbnails or videos from the playlist to view them. Note: by default, the photo or video clips are arranged from top to bottom, starting from old to the latest feed. Scroll up to view the older feeds. Click the candidate's thumbnail or video to view the feed window for the candidate. Note: the photo or video clips of the candidate with an alert trigger are highlighted in red on the playlist. Choose the photo or video clip to view or play it, and then determine for any malpractices occurred. Validating an alert. Below are the steps on how to validate an alert for a candidate which is raised by the artificial intelligence system on the Proctor console during the video proctoring assessment. Tagging a photo or video clip. Below are the steps on how to tag a photo or video clip for any of the below issues mentioned. Performing actions on the live feed window. A proctor can perform the following actions on the candidate's ongoing examination based on the alert received. Let us now view each of these actions in detail. Message button. You can send a predefined message to the candidate based on the observation from the video clip. Note: the message button appears only for those candidates whose attempts are in progress state. Next, we will understand about the reset button. In case, by accident, if a candidate submits the assessment before completing it. In such cases, click the Reset button to enable candidates to reset their assessment attempt. You may observe some candidates indulging in malpractices or misconduct, or a candidate might have medical condition that prevents them from continuing with their attempt. In such cases, click the Invalidate button to invalidate the current attempt of the candidate. The current attempt of the candidate will not be counted under the total attempt allowed for candidate. You may observe some candidates indulging in malpractices or misconduct, or, due to some issue, are not able to submit their assessment. In such cases, click on the Force Submit button to submit the candidate's assessment and end their exam. The assessment may get locked for the candidates during exam due to interruptions, such as moving the focus away from candidate assessment console. The lock-unlock scenario is a very rare case to occur in RPA, and in case candidate session is locked, click on the Unlock button to enable the candidate to resume the assessment from the point where it was interrupted. Note: candidate may lose the time depending on the effective lock period and grace time configuration. Let us see the steps to perform any of these actions once you click a candidate's thumbnail. First, choose any one of the actions. The Define Reason field appears. Next, in this field, provide the information, the reason for carrying out the particular action, the date and time when action is being performed, and the video or image number on the basis of the action. Lastly, click on OK. Note: it is mandatory to state a reason or justification while performing any of these actions. Performing same set of actions on multiple candidates. In case if same action has to be performed on multiple candidates, a proctor can select multiple candidates by clicking on the candidate's thumbnail checkbox on the search screen and then apply the action. Sending messages to candidates. A proctor can send messages to the candidate in case any malpractice is observed or if there is an issue in the candidate image or video clip. Sending message to multiple candidates. To send same message to more than one candidate, from the remote proctoring dashboard, select the candidates with status in progress thumbnail and then click on the message button. Sending message to a single candidate. From the candidate live video screen, click on the message button. Message content to be sent to the candidates. Select and send the applicable predefined message, or choose other for sending customized messages to candidates. Note: on clicking the Send button, the following message is displayed to the proctor. Click on OK to proceed. Proctor Report. Below is a sample of a proctor report which the proctor has to update the following data in e-form as and when action is initiated by them and submits after every entry. Thank you for watching this video.